children, yesterday I was taught you history, lesson first, proclamation of republic and the revolution of the liberals 1848. Now retaught it and understand you the revolution of liberals 1848. In the year 1848, quite parallel to the revolts of the poor, unemployment and starving peasants and workers in many European countries, a revolution led by the educated middle class was underway. The events of February 1848 in France brought about the abdication of the monarch and republic based on universal male suffrage was proclaimed. In the German regions, a large number of political associations members came together. Most of them were middle class, professional businessmen and prosperous artisans. They decided to vote for an all German National Assembly. On 18 May 1848, 831 elected representatives marched in a festive procession to take their places in the Frankfurt Parliament, convent in the Church of St. Paul. They drafted a constitution for a German nation to be held by a monarchy subject to a parliament. Controversy. The issue of extending political right to women was a controversial one within the liberal movement. Large number of women had participated actively in the movement over the years. Women had formed their own political association, founded newspapers and taken part in political meetings and demonstration. पहले औरतें कहते हैं आप महिलाएं एक पार्टी में शामिल नहीं होती, न कोई संगठन बना सकती थी, इन्हें किसी प्रकार का वोट देने का अधिकार नहीं था। तो इस फ्रांस की रेवोल्यूशन से, क्रांति से इन्हें ये अधिकार प्राप्त हुए। आगे बात करेंगे। आगे फिर देखिए, रियलाइजेशन for conservative forces were able to suppress the liberal movements in 1848. They could not restore the old order. Monarchs were beginning to realize that the cycle of revolution and repression could only be ended by granting concessions to the liberal nationalist revolutionaries. Changes introduced. Hence, after 1848, the autocracy monarchies of Central and Eastern Europe began to introduce the changes that had already taken place in Western Europe before 1815. The making of Germany and Italy. Germany can the army be architect of a nation. Nationalist sentiments after 1848. Nationalist sentiment often were promoted by conservative to capture state power and have political domination over Europe. In Germany, nationalist feelings were widespread among middle class who in 1848 tried to unite the different regions of the German Confederation into a nation state governed by an elected parliament. Repressions. This liberal initiative to nation building was repressed by monarchs and military. Supported by loud landowners, Junkers of Persia. A step toward unification. The first step towards unification of Germany was unconsciously taken by Persia. When Persia established Jalverin or a custom union joined by most German states, Prussia took on the leadership of the movement for national unification. Prussia's chief minister Otto von Bismarck was the architect of this process with the help of Prussian army and bureaucracy. Major events. The major event that all occurred at all time of unification of Germany were winning of 7 Years' War, the war with Austria, Denmark and France running over 7 years ended the Prussian victory and completed the process of unification. Proclamation. In January 1871, the Persian King William I was proclaimed German Emperor in a ceremony held at Versailles. Declaration of German Empire on the 18th century, 1871, an assembly comprising the princes of the German states, representative of the army, important Prussian ministers, including the chief minister Otto von Bismarck, proclaimed the new German Empire headed by Kaiser William I of Prussia. Declaration of measure to be taken. The new state placed a strong emphasis on modernizing the currency, banking, legal and judicial system in Germany. The Prussian measures and practices often became a model for the rest of Germany. Unification of Italy next day. Thanks.